Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a cotton candy machine with cardboard. First, collect all your materials: sturdy cardboard, a small DC motor, and a plastic bottle. You'll also need a hot glue gun, scissors, and a power source for the motor. Ensure your cardboard pieces are clean and flat. This project is a fun way to understand basic mechanics while creating a sweet treat. Next, let's build the machine's foundation. Cut a square cardboard piece about 6 by 6 inches for the base. Then, fashion a small stand from cardboard strips to hold your motor upright. Carefully hot glue the motor onto this stand, ensuring it's stable and centered on the base. This setup provides the necessary support for the spinning mechanism. Now for the crucial sugar spinner. Take your plastic bottle and cut off the bottom to create a small, shallow cup. Using a sharp tool, carefully punch several tiny holes around the sides of this cup. These holes are essential for the cotton candy strands. Finally, firmly attach this modified cup to the motor's spinning shaft, ensuring it's balanced. For the final steps, construct a larger cardboard enclosure around your spinner to catch the cotton candy. Connect your motor to a power source, adding a simple switch for easy operation. Once everything is secure, add a small amount of granulated sugar to the spinning cup. Turn it on and watch the magic happen. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade cotton candy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.